custom comfort mattress with Gatradel, and you will not believe what he has going on here. I mean, I give you a little bit of an idea. Look. How long has this company been in business?
My family's been doing this for 35 years. We're one of the few that literally manufacture right here, but it's been family owned and operated for a little over 35 years.
So unlike a lot of them, this is an American company.
Yeah, it is truly American company where our cotton is grown here in California. Our steel comes from the United States. We're one of the few companies that use steel from the United States. Our steel is a heavier gauge. There are more turns, which simply means the more turns, the more support, the more memory, the more durability you're going to get out of the coil. We still put this steel mesh over the top of the coil. That reduces the opening of the coil so weight doesn't push or shove the padding through. We use a cotton insulator pad that separates the cotton batting from the coil. The greatest difference is 100% natural cotton. Cotton sleeps cooler, it's healthier, and it lasts longer. Over 95% of the mattresses sold in the US, the number one cushion is foam. The vast majority of the mattresses sold in the US are petrochemical based. Where we're totally different is pure 100% natural cotton. Now, for cotton to work, you have to tuft it. Your parents, my great-grandparents, they had traditional beds that they used to hand tuft.
Yes.
And that compresses the coil, it compresses the cotton. Let's say it's a queen size, over 5 feet by over 6 feet. That helps minimize compaction. It minimizes the material from shifting and moving. So when we hand tuft a bed, it compresses the coil, compresses all the natural materials in place, so the materials don't shift or move. This mattress will be double-sided. This pillow top will be double-sided. So you can flip and rotate the pillow top and flip and rotate the mattress. This is a black label.
Oh, God.
They tell people it's new and approved, you don't have to flip it.
Yeah.
You can't. It's all foam. I don't have enough weight to compress all this foam, but if I compress all this foam and I get to the coil comes back to full dimension. This coil has zero ability to support you. This is a Tempur-Pedic where it's a basic hard foam underneath and the Tempur material.
Too.
It's very heavy, but it's all foam. And the problem with all foam is just like water. If the human body was proportioned head to toe evenly, weight-wise, water, air, memory foam, Tempur-Pedic foam would be supported. I tell people it's like getting a beautiful pair of jeans or a great dress. We want to match the curves of the body. We want to take the pressure off of the hip and shoulders. We want the bed to push into the waistline and through the lower legs, because our goal is from the middle of the neck to the middle of the buttocks to have the back as aligned as possible. My goal is always to support somebody in equalized pressure. 83% of American females are side sleepers, so it's that hip or the shoulder. We want to equalize pressure, we want to keep the back as straight as possible. In the pillow tops or in a lot of our pillows is actually sap from a rubber tree. So it is literally a natural rubber. So as I press it, you actually see the actual rubber.
Yes.
So instead of foam, I mean, you have an all memory foam or Tempur-Pedic foam, that's 100% chemical. Okay, that off gases. It sleeps hot because it's petroleum, it's petrochemical. This is literally pure sap from a rubber tree.
Wow.
It's hypoallergenic, dust mite resistant, mold mildew don't grow in it, but we use it because it's very responsive. It's a quick responding material and it doesn't compress and flatten out like foam does.
How do you take me from the mattress I have to this one here?
Well, I think this fits you the best. I mean, right now you're currently on 100% petrochemical based foam with your bad hip and predominantly being a side sleeper. This is 100% natural rubber, so it's hypoallergenic, it's dust mite, mold mildew don't grow in it, so it will sleep cooler, it's healthier, and it's breathable. This one is reversible as well. Your bed you cannot flip.
Yeah.
This will have equal comfort on top and bottom. And then I think by adding the adjustability to be able to bring up your head and bring up your feet, I think it will actually do wonders for your hip and back. We affect the aging process. We strengthen the immune system with proper sleep. And when we don't sleep, we don't maintain the proper weight. We're at greater risk for depression. We're at greater risk for weight gain. Our creative thinking. I mean, it affects everything we do.
Et voila! I'm ready for the night. So is Elvis with our beautiful custom comfort mattress. The Orch mattress. So bottom line, buy this bed and not the orthopedic. Go ahead.
Come on, get up.
What is this? Watch a little TV, and then when you finish with all of it, go flat. Have a good night.